We are moving, and I'm going to fill you in where we're moving to. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining me. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, you're awesome. So we're going to try to kick this off a little bit with this week with doing some daily uploads. I know I mentioned it a little bit in yesterday's video, which is today for me, but for you guys it's yesterday. I think we're going to try this. I don't know how long we're going to keep this going. I don't know how long we're going to be able to keep this going, but we're going to try to keep this going. Wish me luck. So obviously, I may have spoke about this before, but I can't be working on the cars too much, mainly the body kit stuff. So the other stuff like the turn signals, which was the video from yesterday, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check that out. But the turn signals on the car, stuff like that I could work on. Truck, I don't really have anything to do on that, except for eventually I gotta take some stuff off of the roof rack, but we'll get to that. So if you've been living under a rock, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I'm moving. Family and some close friends know this, but we are moving, and I'm going to fill you in where we're moving to southern Utah. So, southern Utah. You might be asking yourself, why are these people moving to southern Utah? So right now, once again, if you're new to the channel, me and my wife live in New York, and we are moving to southern Utah. So the move is happening in less than a month. It is, it's March 29th, when I'm recording this video, which was yesterday for you guys. It's March 29th, and we are moving on. This daily vlog thing, I'm gonna try to keep going till then, till we're actually moved in and all that stuff. More of the reason I wanted to kind of do this daily vlog is to explain some of the logistics behind this. If you yourself are considering moving states, not even cross country, just moving states. If you're going New York to New Jersey, it's not as bad, but like further away. With these daily videos, I'm going to still try to keep them somewhat car focused. If you're here for the car stuff, at least the Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday stuff I will try to keep on regular car schedule, and then the in-between videos, which would be, well, starting this week is Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Monday. Might just be other stuff, moving stuff, doing stuff around the house to get it more ready for us to move, like packing and whatnot, taking more stuff apart and all that stuff. But join along for the ride. I hope you guys enjoy this. Because I'm gonna put some effort into this. Gonna attempt to do this and keep it going. Try to break this little YouTube algorithm thing. Daily videos, maybe to get the channel to grow a little bit. Might be fun. Might be able to reach a broader audience. You got the little information now. If you joined in on this video, you've got the little information on where we're moving, because I only alluded to it in previous videos. So that's some of the reason why we sold the 240. We're moving to southern Utah. Just 300 sunny days a year. That car well, that car didn't have power steering, which isn't a big deal, but it didn't have air conditioning, and it was tuned on 93 octane. There is no such thing as 93 octane where we're moving. That's some of the reason I sold the car in my mind, which I regretted a little bit, to be honest, but the money that I got from that, which I still took a loss on it, the money I got from that will bring on other projects, which will be fun, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it too. So I'm gonna go over a little timeline for you guys. I will probably wind up doing this multiple times because I'll probably forget that I did it. The movers are coming to take all the stuff from the house and most of the garage stuff to start shipping it out. I don't have a date on how long it's gonna take to get from here to there. It's about 2,700 miles, give or take. I think a little less. So I think it could take a week to like 3 weeks. So we'll have to deal with that. The auto transporter is coming to take the 190E and take the truck, which is another reason we sold the Mustang and the 240SX, because it's cheaper to ship 2 cars than it is to ship 4 cars. Then that day we're also driving up to Newburgh, New York to go to Cruise America to get one of their RVs, because we're taking that RV across country. Cars, the estimated date that I have for them shipping is 4 to 6 days. So if it's 4 days, that might be, I think, which is a little stressful to make sure. But we're trying to make the drive in 3 days. So the car's leaving on the... We're driving to Davenport, Iowa, which is, I think, a 16-hour drive if I remember correctly. Then sleeping there. We are driving to Denver, Colorado, which I think was 12 or 13 hours, which is possibly the first day the cars might arrive, which I'm hoping is longer than that, is from Denver to southern Utah. So that drive is another 9 hours, I think. So if we leave nice and early in the morning, we could be there by 2, 3 o'clock, a little after lunch. Won't be too bad. It's a lot of driving, I know. I'm gonna have this big ass RV. It's a 30-foot RV, which I will probably do a video on, and I'm probably gonna do like a little travel vlog type thing on that. So stay tuned for that. So I'm making this video just to kind of help put pressure on myself to do these daily vlogs, or, well, this is just a video. It's not really a vlog, I guess, but these daily videos for you guys. I will be going over a lot of the logistics stuff. Like, when it's all said and done, I will go over the price for this entire move, which is pretty expensive so far, but I think it's worth it. So I will go over all that in a future episode. So you're gonna have to subscribe for that to see what's going on. And obviously there's still work to be done on these cars. So once we move, I'll be able to crack on with this 190E, especially the body kit. Then I think I will finally reveal the plans for the engine swap, because I'm kind of excited to do this engine swap. I don't think, once again, I don't think it's been done before. A lot of you people might want to kill me for doing it. It's not a JDM motor, so don't think that way. Although there were a couple in the running, but that doesn't matter. That's for a different video. So all these previously listed things going on behind the scenes, well, I guess they're kind of behind the scenes. I haven't really spoke about it much, but all these previously listed things are kind of why the videos lately have been a little all over the place and not really focused. Been working on the body kit, cutting the body kit up for no reason. Well, I mean for a reason. Cutting the body kit up, trying to do fiberglass, then it didn't work out, then we're not doing fiberglass anymore, we're working on turns, all this stuff. There's reasons behind all of it. A lot of packing to do. There's not too much stuff left in the attic. I think there's just some body panels for the 190 left up there that need to come down, that we're gonna try to stuff in here before the cars leave. But I also need to figure other stuff out. There's stuff I gotta take off. I'm gonna take the light bar off and the max tracks off the truck before it ships out. We'll go over shipping a car across country. We'll go over shipping yourselves across country via RV or whatever. And we'll go over moving your entire house, because there's a lot of options for all this stuff. I learned a bunch of stuff, and there's still a lot more to learn. We are also almost at 4,000 subscribers. So thank you very much for that. If you're one of the subscribers, you're awesome. If you're not subscribed, hit that button. What are you waiting for? It's free. It doesn't cost you a damn thing. So that is enough random talk from me. I'm going to end the video here. If you've sat through it this long and you're excited for what's to come, hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below. If you're considering doing this, we could chat about it if you want. Hit that like button, because thumbs up, awesome. And stay tuned for the next video about this. So tomorrow's video should be car related. I'm gonna mess with this 190E again, I think. Try to get the turn signals to work. I'm not sure yet. But that's it. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave some comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and keep moving forward.